Good morning. Today's our last day here in Bohol and we're flying out to Manila this afternoon. So today we're having a half-day tour of Panglao. Our first stop is here in the Shell Museum where they have a collection of different shells. We are now in our second stop called Hinagdanan Cave. If you're going to Hinagdanan Cave, you also get the chance to swim around. So we did not swim around because we're leaving for the airport. We have a guided tour here in Bohol Bee Farm, which is something we're definitely going to do. It's a huge place, so it's better if you take the guided tour. So don't drop the bees, okay? They're harmless, but if you drop them, start running. Now it's time for food! So the food is really healthy. I have a side of salad, roasted chicken, and it's honey glazed too. The honey comes from here, and red rice. So it's very healthy. We are now in the souvenir shops where we are buying some food to bring back home. We are now in the airport. We're checked in and we're waiting for boarding back to Manila. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. See you next time.